Can you guess whose house I'm in? Yes, you're looking correctly. It's Samsung's. So let's take a tour of his house to explore what he offers in terms of connectivity and the ecosystem of all Samsung products. Let's begin. Then, notice that it greets us with the music frame and the frame. For those unfamiliar, this music frame is a speaker where you can also display a picture. It's not just a screen, it's something you can customize and connect to a TV, or even use as a Bluetooth speaker if you have a TV. It doesn't even look like a typical screen because it has this incredibly nice matte finish. We are discussing the screen that Samsung refers to as the frame. You can change the frames to suit your style, and it is remarkably nice, especially for home decoration. I emphasize that it really doesn't look like a regular screen. You'll notice that it has the super good anti-reflective matte finish that makes it stand out. It's quite challenging to find any reflection on this screen, making it a bit tricky to see. So that's how we began this tour of the Samsung house, which is really quite impressive and super nice. This place is a great demonstration of the ecosystem that Samsung has developed. Here, for instance, we encounter a Ring doorbell that can connect seamlessly to Samsung's entire ecosystem of smart things. So let's go ahead and ring the doorbell, and we can observe the people inside even if they're watching something on TV, like a series or whatever they might be viewing at the moment. You'll have the capability to visualize in real time who is ringing the doorbell, as everything is interconnected here. This is made possible through smart things. In fact, take note that the cell phones registered in the house will also have the ability to receive this preview of the person who has rung the doorbell, providing a very nice experience. And right here, we can tap to get a larger view, or tap if you wish to watch the live stream. Actually, right here, you can observe more or less the entire history of its behavior, or alternatively, you could watch the real-time transmission. And well, you certainly know that through the SmartThings app, you have the ability to see absolutely every single device within the home. In this particular case, we offer a tremendous variety for you to explore in detail. So, for instance, let us navigate to this section to open this screen and demonstrate how you can manage all the controls directly from your cell phone. In this particular case, for instance, we are able to navigate through all the menus directly with great ease and simplicity. One of the new features that Samsung has integrated into this new generation is the Daily Plus section. Here we will find not only some exercise suggestions and other content to explore, but also a new karaoke application that is quite intriguing. This application offers a very extensive catalog in various languages, allowing you to sing and enjoy a karaoke session with your family. You might even have the option to connect it to your phone for added convenience. The new generation includes AI features in the environment section, allowing you to create custom generative backgrounds by answering questions about your desired background. This way, you get a unique image that no one else has. If you enjoy decor, this TV makes it perfectly accessible. Let's take a look at what else we can discover over here. We are currently watching MasterChef on the Samsung TV channels. It's worth noting that on Samsung TV, the content is rescaled to fully utilize the screen resolutions, which enhances the viewing experience. So, as we enter, in addition to the live channel guide that we can enjoy, we have access to channels that are entirely in Spanish and well suited to our region. Furthermore, we will also have the opportunity to enjoy a diverse and rich catalog of movies, providing us with a wide range of entertainment options to choose from, and a series completely free, without requiring you to pay any subscription. So this is yet another advantage that Samsung provides with its catalog of the latest generation televisions. And, well, remember, you can also connect the soundbars, and through Q Symphony, both the TV speakers and the bar, satellites and buffer you place will sound. An outstanding feature is that all of this is wireless, so you simply need to connect them to the power source, but you don't need to connect them with wires. But let's take a look. Let's move into another room to see what we have here. In this instance, as you can see, here is the robot vacuum cleaner, which is already making its way back to its station after finishing its cleaning task. This is the Samsung station. As you can observe, it provides us with the dirty water tank, the clean water tank, and also the garbage disposal with its bag. So it contains everything you might need to. Optimal cleaning of the home. Naturally, it would be quite fascinating to observe what it can provide us in terms of cleaning, especially when compared to other high-end robot vacuum cleaners that we have tested before. Personally, I haven't had the chance to try this particular one, so it would be extremely interesting to do so. But anyway, here in this room, as you can see, there is another enormous screen. And look, here we also get a glimpse of the SmartThings panel where we can regulate and control absolutely all of our devices. It's quite a large screen and, well, I decided to open the curtain for a bit more light to better appreciate this air conditioner. It's the Samsung Winfrey, which, as you might know, lets us close a small tray to avoid receiving air directly. This design allows all those little perforations to release the air, preventing a direct flow. So if you're sensitive to these air gusts, you'll find it much more comfortable inside your room. Additionally, think about controlling this air from your watch. You can switch off the air conditioner in the living room and notice how it responds well to voice commands. Everything from the watch works excellently. Here, we'll also discover the Serif, a stylish screen with an anti-reflective finish that enhances the appearance of spaces. It's among the more elegant displays I've seen, so if you wanted to enhance the room's decor, it looks fantastic. Now, let's explore what other devices we encounter. Here again is the music frame, and now we have the Samsung Smart Money M. As you know, it's a monitor with its own operating system, allowing remote connection to your computer or running web applications directly through its browser, eliminating the need for a computer, or something along those lines. Clearly, depending on how complex your work is, this would serve as a functional monitor for your needs. We will additionally have the capability to connect the computer to it, whether wirelessly or through a cable. It's important to note that it includes a small camera, allowing you to make video calls without needing an extra computer. Therefore, it's yet another monitor option that Samsung provides, and you can see it on display here, along with another air conditioner. And well, here we are now stepping into the gamer room. I think this is the dream room for many people. Take a look at all the neon lights. The decor is really impressive, but the main attraction here is the exceptional Odyssey Arc G. It's a monitor that's just incredibly intriguing due to its size. Notice that when you use it in this horizontal format, it provides a very expansive view, not only horizontally, but also vertically. What's fascinating is that it's a monitor you can also elevate, so take a look. You can do it this way, and even rotate this monitor to have a completely different experience. Take note that this monitor also supports multi-window functionality, which allows you to keep multiple things open simultaneously from different sources, enabling you to multitask efficiently. Additionally, here is another Odyssey on display, which is in the ultra-wide format and also includes these multi-window mode capabilities. In this instance, a Galaxy Tab is connected by cable to this device for shared views. We also see a Samsung Sound Tower with features like karaoke mode, allowing you to connect your smartphone and Samsung display. This is notable for its many Samsung ecosystem features. Hey, and just in case you weren't aware, remember that with these Samsung screens, you'll be able to stream content directly from the cloud. So in this scenario, you won't need any console to run the content you desire. Of course, you'll need a strong internet connection to enjoy high-quality gaming. But the significant advantage here is that you won't even require a console, you just need a subscription to access these cloud-based game contents. And there are several platforms available here for you to choose your favorite from. And look, here we have the frame once more to demonstrate its anti-reflective finish, which is truly impressive, just fantastic what has been accomplished. Additionally, there is an option of an ultra-slim soundbar that would significantly enhance the experience of the frame. It still maintains a very pleasing aesthetic because, being quite thin, it doesn't protrude excessively from the wall, which allows you to achieve a very appealing look. But look no more. Here we are arriving at the favorite part for adults, because we are about to discover the new generation of Samsung washer dryer. It has some really great capabilities. To begin with, at the bottom you will find the soap center, which only needs to be refilled a few times a year. This means you can forget about pouring soap every single time you do laundry. Just refill these dispensers once in a while, and that's it. You can forget about the rest. The washer will automatically determine the appropriate amount of soap to use based on the cycles you select or by utilizing artificial intelligence. Additionally, it features a small screen where you can interact to, for instance, select the desired wash cycle. As an example, here we will opt for the super speed cycle to provide you with an idea of how the interface functions. Here you have the option to wash, dry, and select additional parameters you can choose from to begin your cleaning. In fact, you could even program the exact time you want your washing to finish, especially if you're going out or have other plans. Furthermore, it is important to note that it includes the washing machine settings, allowing you to view the dispenser, check how many uses are left before another drum cleaning is needed, and also monitor the energy consumption of your device. In this area, we will discover other fascinating sections like the filter section, and also a section where you have the option to manually add some softener or something comparable for your cleaning needs. As you observe, this unit has the capability to both wash and dry, all within the same machine. This feature is incredibly space-saving, which makes it highly suitable for environments where there isn't much extra room to accommodate numerous appliances. It's a practical solution for maximizing limited space. And look, here's the handheld vacuum cleaner, the manual one. We're going to take it out of this tower because it's very good. It even has artificial intelligence. Notice how it displays the remaining time and optimizes the vacuuming power. In areas with more debris, it increases its power. Observe how it estimates a remaining time of about 1 hour. Obviously, this can vary widely depending on the type of scenarios in which you're using the vacuum. However, I personally like to have this estimated time on hand. And once you're finished vacuuming, you're probably aware that the traditional method involves manually emptying the dust bin. This can result in dust falling out elsewhere. However, in this particular case, Samsung has put a lot of thought into the design. So, notice that when you place it back on its base, it will not only recharge the battery, but it will also provide you with a fresh battery charge. It's about to initiate a self-emptying cycle. Take note of how it quickly begins to suck up all the debris and junk it had stored, and then it transmits it to a bag located in the bottom section. However, that's not all. The bottom part also starts to spin on its roller, ensuring that you achieve optimal cleaning by removing any residue that might have been stored in the roller area. And notice that once it is completely finished, we are going to carefully remove this here so that you yourself can clearly see how the bag is placed right here, where it is effectively storing all the garbage. You would only need to change this bag every so often, making it much more practical and convenient to avoid excessive contact with the dust. However, I want you to observe something interesting that provides us with an excellent demonstration of the Samsung ecosystem's capabilities. Imagine you're vacuuming your house and you left your cell phone somewhere for a bit. You placed it far away because you're in a rush, but then someone calls you. You notice that the vacuum cleaner stops and alerts you that there's a call. And it's not just the vacuum cleaner. If you happen to be in the laundry room, you see that the washing machine screen also displays that there's a call coming in. It's really fascinating how the entire ecosystem is interconnected and communicates with each other. And actually, take note that when a call is coming in on your cell phone, a dialogue also appears, allowing you to mute the TV and ensure that nothing will obstruct your voice. This way, you can have a really good call experience. I also forgot to mention that you can have the complete map of your house perfectly through SmartThings. You can display it not only on your TV, but also on your tablet, on your watch, or anywhere else you desire. And with this map, you would also have the ability to control all of your devices. You could quickly check for any notifications or even the current temperature. As you can see, you have the capability to navigate through your entire house, allowing you to see all the devices that are set up. It provides a more visual and easier way to access and manage your devices. If you find it difficult to remember the names you assign to them or something similar, you can visually identify them. Additionally, you can view the power consumption and the savings they are generating. So, this map view is also among the recent innovations that have been announced to the entire ecosystem of smart devices. You can choose between the 3D view, the 2D view, and you can add various types of customization options. In fact, you could even utilize your robot vacuum cleaner to make the process of generating this map a little bit easier. Or you can do it manually if you prefer. It really depends on your personal taste. And right over here, we also have the latest generation of the bespoke refrigerator. Take note that it features a somewhat smaller screen compared to, well, a much smaller one than the previous generation. However, this will result in significant energy savings while still maintaining essentially the same functions. Here, we will quickly be able to see at a glance the map of our home in case we need to manage something specific, allowing us to visualize it right here. Additionally, we have the Spotify control, which by the way can be wirelessly connected to other speakers. For instance, you could link it to that bar to stream music and control it from here. Additionally, you can access recipes tailored to the ingredients in your fridge. Notice it offers suggestions or lets you save favorite recipes. As you can see, the AI Vision Inside feature helps track the food you add or take out from the refrigerator. However, something quite interesting here is that it can inform you which items are approaching their expiration date, allowing you to set that expiration date so that the refrigerator can smartly alert you, leading to significantly less food waste. Additionally, note that it features an easy opening mechanism by just touching the door. Yet, something I found even more appealing is that it can be operated by voice. Imagine you come with your hands full and just say, "Hi Bixby," open the refrigerator door and wait a bit and it opens without touching it. That's really cool. Here you have everything you need. The refrigerator has a small camera on top with AI that detects when you add or remove food. Of course, if the foods are covered with a topper or something similar, it gets a bit more complex. However, you can manually enter their names here. Or it might also smartly suggest the product if it detects it more easily. For example, it recognizes this as an apple, so you can just select to display the name, and that's it. And keep in mind that in this particular case, we are going to identify a total of 3 zones. At the top, we have the refrigerator section. Below that, there are two distinct freezer zones. However, one of these freezer zones can be adjusted to a more precise temperature if you find it necessary. Therefore, within the configuration settings, you have the ability to access all these functions. This allows you to determine how the entire refrigerator operates. Additionally, it's important to note that we will also have access to our applications available right here. To start with, SmartThings is a great way to control your entire house. You can also have timer logs here, which you can, of course, initiate using your voice. Additionally, over here, you have the ability to access the web browser or even YouTube, just in case you don't want to miss out on the latest channel content. Well, you can do all this while you're cooking or doing something else. In fact, right here, you can also access your shopping list, which will sync seamlessly with your Galaxy device, and you'll have the planners as well of meals and all these advanced functions. Well, Samsung offers even more products that can be connected. For instance, here we have a microwave that connects to SmartThings, which possibly allows for easier configuration in some way. We also have the stove, and your oven can be configured through SmartThings as well. For example, if you have a recipe and you're following it step by step in your SmartThings and Samsung Food app, you could send it directly too. The oven can be set to the recipe's temperature. The hood connects smartly, allowing remote control to turn it on or off. Even if you're not home, you can check if you turn things off. The dishwasher here also has SmartThings connectivity, offering various modes, controls, and spacious interior with different mechanisms for clean as thoroughly as you can all of your dishes. And of course, another major benefit of SmartThings is that it not only operates with Samsung devices, which will provide the best experience, but if you have, for instance, a light bulb, or any other product that isn't from Samsung, it can still be connected because SmartThings is compatible with an extensive range of brands. Take a look at what I have here. I have the kitchen controls, and for instance, these lights operate using the Zigbee standard. We're going to go ahead and turn them off now. You can do it one by one, or you can set up routines for them. Oh, I didn't show you the lights, my apologies. There they are. Let me turn them back on just in case you didn't catch that. Well, there you go. See, the response time is really quite impressive, very quick, and there you have it. So it's not necessary to have everything be Samsung because, for example, Samsung doesn't offer smart lights. However, over here at SmartThings, you have the opportunity to explore the extensive compatibility it offers with numerous brands, protocols, and standards. This ensures you can fully enjoy a comprehensive smart home experience. Now, please let me know your thoughts on the entire Samsung ecosystem in the comments below. If there's anything you think could be improved or any suggestions you have, I'd love to hear them, as it will be incredibly interesting. For the moment, we've reached the conclusion of this entire video and the brief tour of Sam's house, which you have here. His paintings alongside his memories from his travels. In case you weren't aware, she is actually Samsung's virtual assistant. Well, that's all for now. See you next time.